how to sign in to Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So once you've installed your Amazon app, when you open it, you'll land to a page like this. So choose your country or region and then choose the language and the currency and hit done. Now, after that, you'll need to tap on the three lines and there you'll see sign in option. Tap on it and there you'll see create new account, sign in. So if you are new to Amazon, tap on create account and now you need to put in your first name and your last name, and you'll need to put in your phone number or your email. Then you'll need to verify your mobile number. Now you'll need to solve this puzzle to protect your account and hit confirm. After that, you'll get verification code on your phone number. You have to enter it and your account will be verified and you'll be signed in into your Amazon account. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.